Do you have a charger, Jesse?
I'm gonna sing Heart Attack by Demi Lovato. Okay. I'm gonna sing it a cappella. You put a lot of fences on, 'cause I don't wanna fall in love. If I ever did that, I think I'd have a heart attack. Never put my love out on the line. Never said yes to the right girl. Never had trouble getting what I want. But when it comes to you, I'm never good enough. And I don't care. I can play you like a Barbie doll. Won't wash my hair. Make 'em bounce like a basketball. But you make me wanna act like a guy, sparking my hair and getting tattoos for you. Make me so nervous and I just can't hold your hand. You make me blow, but I cover up, won't let it show. So I'm putting my defenses on, 'cause I don't wanna fall in love. If I ever did that, think I'd have a heart attack. I think I'd have a heart attack. I think I'd have a heart attack.
Is that it? That's it.
Like and subscribe for more videos from this guy. And I will see you on the flip side. Bye.